think I got it. Main canvas. Okay, so what the heck? I think we're good. Okay. We should be Gucci. Yeah, there it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. All right. Now we talking. Now we talking. All right. All right. All right. I might have to tweak this a little bit later. Um, built-in stream. Nah. Hey, what's going on, man? Primary YouTube, good YouTube server. If you aren't sure which to pick the first. I would have to mess with this later because I have no idea what this is asking me here. I'll so automatic start. Yeah, I'll probably have to set that up later then. But I think so far we're good to go. Yeah. Now all we got to do is test this bad boy out. What is it going live through? It says it's going live. What the heck is it going live through? Add stream marker. Oh, you can do that. Okay. But why isn't it Hmm. Okay, well. That's so weird. It's on the yeah. almost like as if they were suppressing it. That's so weird. The thing is, I don't know why are hold on, man, this is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Okay, so it says I'm here, but it's not showing up. It's so weird. Why isn't it showing up on my channel directly? That is so weird, dude. Okay, well, that's odd. I'm gonna have to figure that out. I'm gonna have to change a lot of the stuff here. Is how's the audio though? Oh, okay, so that's not bad actually. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to figure something out later because this isn't this is no good. Okay, so for some reason it disconnects and then it reconnects. Why? I don't know. I literally have no idea. It just comes and goes. I thought I had this. Sorry, guys. So, you know what? Hold on. I recommend joining through TikTok because, and I'm gonna upload the link because this sucks. Let me find it. I'll share the link with you guys. Oh my god. No, pin the message. Sorry, man. Guys, yeah, just if I was you, I'd just use this stream as like a way to come back to it and to check it out later. But this is this is not the best way to go about it. Like in terms of viewing the stream and interacting, all that stuff. If I was you, I join the TikTok and then I'll figure out this mess later. I don't know what's going on. I've never had this issue. There's a lot of things that are wrong with it. Um, yeah, I don't know what's going on. So if I was you, just join the TikTok, man. Um, I'll add timestamps too in this whole thing. And not only that, I mean, it'll be easier for you guys to call in or ask your questions because through TikTok, it's instant. It's not a problem. I don't have this problem with TikTok. Um, Now you can also ask me questions on the Discord if you're in the Discord. Uh, but I would still highly recommend um, to just join the TikTok instead. All right. So yeah. Anyways, I'll let's start this let's start this thing. So yeah. So we'll start this stream here. So yeah. So some updates on the channel. For anyone looking back into it in the future. So I know I've said this in the past. I've kind of been flip flopping back and forth with this idea. Uh, but I think I'm finally going to make the jump to it. And I think I'm just going to, what I've decided to do now is moving forward, I'm going to try doing more live streams altogether. I'm going to try doing more live streams altogether. I'm gonna try to step away from making like any educational content, like pre-recorded stuff, because I think that I've already not hit, but I think I've reached the maximum that I wanted to in terms of educational content. I think I have uploaded everything I needed to upload to educate you guys on how to trade. Anything else that I do upload, I still think is it's good to know or still worthy of looking into, but it's not anything I find pressing like I used to. Uh, so yeah, I would recommend that. I would recommend that you guys stay tuned for some possible live streams. I don't think I'll be streaming Friday nights. I might be doing recaps Friday nights if anything, but most of the time people don't tune in for that. So Monday through Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I will probably start streaming more. I don't know about the this next week. Maybe next week I will continue it more consistently. But point is, I will be live streaming a little bit more. I will be doing Asia session more than anything, especially because of my scheduling, everything that I have going on. But not only that, I think we need more Asia session traders and traders that are actually good at trading the Asia session. Um, we just don't see many of those. And I think for people that have jobs in the morning that want to trade in the afternoon or at night, the Asia session would be great for this. Now, I want to start streaming from like 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. till like 8:30 or 9, 9 being the latest. Uh, and then continuing on from there. But point is, if I don't start streaming around 6 or 7, you'll see me streaming around 7 the latest. If I don't start to stream by 7 or 7:30, then I'm probably not gonna stream at all. But stay in the Discord. Stay in the Discord, and I'll keep you guys updated. I'll do my best to try to be consistent. I was gonna do this stream at 7, but I kept getting held back from like the setup and stuff. I thought I had everything right. It was a real mess. So I'm very sorry about that, guys. It will be better next time, I promise. But either way, we're gonna be on here for a little bit longer. I wanted to start at 7 and then end the stream at 8, but since like I said, we had a lot of problems getting everything running. But nonetheless, we're here. We're here. So, with all that being said, let's start making some money. So, I'm looking at gold. I'm probably gonna be mainly trading gold here, and there's a reason for that. So, gold has much tighter spreads when trading the Asia session. Now, I was actually working on a video to show you guys some reversal patterns, but we're already here now, so I might as well just show you what I'm working on with. So here, we saw price sweep this liquidity. And we're on the 15-minute right now. So price swept it. Price failed to make a lower low. We have a breakup structure here. All right, we have a breakup structure towards the upside. And you guys saw me make this post on my Discord. But when the third candle, this third candle, so it goes 1, 2, and 3. This third candle, if it overlaps the first candle, like this, it's a strong possibility that we're going to continue towards the upside. And as you guys can see, price reacted favorably off of this bullish order block. So we're going to continue towards the upside. At least that's what I think. Now, I do have to draw the previous day's volume profile. So let's see. This is I'm trying to get it as accurate as possible. It's gonna look bad, but you'll be alright. And if you're wondering how I trade volume profiles, I already made a video on this. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, the both sides is it's not that great. Okay, and then five. Oh, it's because it keeps extending to the right. Mother trucker. I'm trying to get this thing. Oh, so it's at 458. Okay. Okay. Probably gonna have to make a custom indicator for this. Alright, so I can already tell you. Yeah. Mm-mm. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to See if there's an easier way. I'm gonna have to see if I can find an indicator, but I'm gonna see if there's an easier way to get these things to set up to start running. But okay, so I know that the other one that we can do to make it easier is the 9:30 a.m. to goes 4 o'clock. Let me see here. I need to see my rule book here. To 4 p.m. I believe is the right one. You know what? Let me find it, cause Asia range. Yeah, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Then there's 4 p.m. to 9:30 a.m. Yeah, we don't need to do all that. I think we are good with the 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. And then we begin the developing from 6 p.m. till now. Okay. We actually missed a setup here while I was messing around. But don't worry, we'll see if we can catch another one. But so far, not bad. Not bad at all. All right. Yeah, I'll be much better prepared, guys, next time. I promise you that. But for now, you can keep looking at this bad boy for now, seeing how this goes. But look how tight these spreads are at night, man. And here's the beautiful thing about trading this way. So let's see if I can back up at like around 7 o'clock. See what we can do here, because I'm gonna show you guys. Let me see if I can show you guys around this time. So Okay, so notice we have the point of control here. Um, we have the value area high and then the value area low. So we already know we're bullish, right, from what I said earlier. And prices has already a strong reaction from this area. And remember, guys, from the course, the volume profile course, think of these areas as zones. Okay. Now remember, we have bullish. We're bullish, right? Our bias is bullish. This is price reacting off of this zone here, this point of control zone. So all we need is something to say, okay, we're ready to go back up. We're bullish, you know. So right now we're under the value area low. So I don't want to go into a buy setup yet. Okay, not yet. Price is developing. All right, cool. So what do we see here? Price breaking back up the value area low. We have a bullish order block here. Right, right here. You could have entered off of this one, but knowing myself, I'm probably going to want another candle for confirmation towards the upside. I could have entered there. Realistically, I wouldn't have entered yet. I'm just telling you how I would have, or the consequences that you do have to enter for a buy. But I'm not. I wouldn't enter yet. Okay, here is probably where I would enter. So I would have entered here around this position. I would say stops under here is fine. And then I target a 1 to 2, or at least this high right here. And then price could play out. Price almost hits TP. We still let price play out, and bam, we would have gotten in our W, right? That would have been ideal if I would have had everything set up right, but we don't always get what we want. But that's okay. Oh, dang. Look at that. That would have been great, great money. But the analysis is right. Remember, I was telling you guys we're bullish anyways. And look what we got. We got a bullish setup. And price is breaking over the previous day's value area high from the New York trading sessions volume levels. So even more confluence. I would, let me change this. I would change this for dark green white. Ooh. Yes, yes. So let's see if we get something else in these next few minutes, because I am planning on ending the stream early. But that's only because out of my failures, my mistakes as a man. I'm willing to own up to it. Man. Also, in the comments, guys, in the comments section, tell me what you would like to see while we're watching the charts. What assets you want me to cover? Uh, what topics you want me to explain? What do you want to see? You want to watch memes? I don't know. We can debate too. I love debating. Or just if you want to have a conversation, we can always do that as well. I mean, it's really whatever you guys want to do. Um, I will do my best to please you guys. It's so weird though. I wonder why I didn't. Pyramid scheme maxing. Actually, you know what? Now that we're here, you guys know that I'm a Christian Orthodox now. Um, you know what? Screw it. Why don't we do some just real quick? Might as well now that we're here. Some quick commentary. Oh, it's because my stream is unlisted. That's why. What a dummy. Oh my god, bro. That explains it, dude. It's because it's unlisted. Okay. Okay, okay. That's why. Oh no. Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh, dude. I have so much so much that I needed to change. Alright guys, so it's almost 8:30. I mean, I'm gonna be honest, any actual good trade that we wanted to catch, we should have caught a long time ago. But no worries. I will have it all fixed by hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully I do get to stream again tomorrow. Just keep an eye out for it on the Discord. I'll try announcing it ASAP. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys. Appreciate you for being patient with me. I hope it wasn't a total waste of your time, but yeah, check the description below for the timestamps. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.